To change your birthday on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your birthday on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here in top corner, and after that click these 3 points here and then click edit profile, and once you're here scroll down until you find personal info, and then scroll down, and here we'll find birthday. Click on it, change it, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.